Hey guys, welcome back. This is Command Blockade here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to summon custom villagers in Minecraft 1.14 Java Edition. So let's go ahead and get started. First things first, I need to head all the way to the beginning of this command block. Then we're going to type in /summon villager, and then we're going to type in the location coordinates. Well, what do all these location coordinates mean? The first one represents the x-axis, and it runs east-west. The y-coordinate, also known as the middle coordinate, is the height, and it runs up-down. The z-coordinate is the final coordinate on this list, and it runs north-south. The title that I'm highlighting is relevant to the command giver's location, so in this case, all the coordinates are relevant, with the exception of the middle one being 0.5 above the relevant spot. NoGravity, we're going to set that to 0b. If we wanted it to not get affected by gravity, we'd set it to 1b. Otherwise, we'd set it to 0b. It's just computer logic. Computers start with 0 and whatnot. Silent, we're going to set to 1b. Again, if we wanted to disable silent, we just go ahead and type in 0b like so. Invulnerable, we're going to set to 0b. We don't want to have the villager just be invulnerable in case we do accidentally make a mistake. So, and you need to get rid of it quickly. That's the easiest way, just set it to 0b until you get the command actually correct. Glowing, we're going to set that to 0b. We do not need to see this villager through any walls whatsoever. CustomNameVisible is going to get set to 1b so we can see it at a distance. PersistenceRequired is set to 1b. PersistenceRequired is basically where monsters can despawn, or rather some animals can despawn if they walk a certain amount of blocks in a certain direction. So just to be on the safe side, we're going to set it to 1b to prevent any despawning with villagers. NoAI is going to get set to 1b, and it's basically where the villager loses all access to moving and whatnot. It cannot move at all. It is not even affected by gravity either, I found that out. But, I mean, that may change. Health is going to get set to 1000 F. You gotta remember the F or the command's not going to work as expected. Willing is going to get set to 1b, and it's basically where the villager is willing to mate with other villagers. LastRestock is going to get set to 0, and LastRestock is basically where they last went to their workstation to resupply their stuff. The starting XP the villager has is going to get set to 0. That will change as you trade with the custom villager. Now for the custom name. Right here, the text variable, we can change that to translate if we wanted to. But in the meantime, we're just going to keep it at text. We're going to type in Garrett. I think that's how you pronounce it. The color is going to get set to white. There are a bunch of backslashes, quotation marks, commas, and all sorts. The color is going to get set to white, bold false, italic false, underlined false, strikethrough false, and obfuscated false, just like that. Attributes, where it's going to be name.generic.maxHealth, base 1000. So this villager has a maximum of 1000 health. The villager's starting health is also 1000, so it's maxed out at the start. Now on to VillagerData. It's about the villager, so there's like the biome, profession, and the offers it has and whatnot. So level 1, we're going to keep it set to that. You can set it to like level 2, level 3, or other stuff. But for now, we're just going to keep it at level 1 since it only has like 1 or 2 trades that we're going to be giving it. Actually, just 1. The profession we're going to be giving this villager is Minecraft weaponsmith, just like that. And the type of the villager is set to plains. You can change it to something else like desert, jungle, etc. Any biome where villagers can spawn in. There are a lot more than the previous, like 1.12 and whatnot. Offers, that's basically the trades and whatnot. Recipes, the rewardExp, where it's set to 1b, so yes, we will get experience for this. Max uses before needing to restock is 10. The XP that the villager will gain is 30. The required stuff that it needs to buy is Minecraft Diamond, count 2b, so we need 2 diamonds. The second thing that the player needs to purchase, or the B, is Minecraft Stick, count 1b. And then it will sell Minecraft Diamond Sword, count 1b, and the tag with some really good overpowered enchantments and whatnot. Level 5S and whatnot. Knockback, level 2x. Kind of like, this should be like this for each enchantment. Curly bracket, and whatnot. ID, Minecraft knockback, level 2s. ID is Minecraft mending, level 1s. And then we have to type in a bunch of these brackets here. The brain is the final part of this command. It's basically where everything is in the villager's head, such as meeting places, workstation, home, etc. This command works best in a village. So the position for the meeting point is going to get set to these coordinates right here. And the dimension is going to get set to the overworld. The home is going to get set to these positions here. The dimension is also going to be in Minecraft overworld, not the nether or the end. The job site is right here. And there needs to be something at the job site, like a smithing table in this case, or else the villager will lose the profession and you will lose the trade. So don't say I didn't warn you. We got the position, then we got the dimension, Minecraft overworld, and we finished off with extra curly brackets just like that. Now to see it all in action, we're going to right click the button, and look at that, we have Garrett right here. He has trades and whatnot. We can go ahead and get a stick and 2 diamonds, and then we can place them in, and there we go. We got ourselves one very overpowered sword. So that is the end of this tutorial here. I hope you all enjoyed this tutorial. Subscribe for more content and tutorials and whatnot, and I will see you in any one of my other videos that I've created so far. Bye!